It's Fresh Cash Friday with your host, Patrick Wieland. All right. What's good? What's good? All right. Good morning. How are you? What's good? It's Friday. It's Fresh Cash Friday. It's time to make some money. The market down this morning. Sell here on the ES, the NASDAQ, both below the VWAP, the SPY right there at the VWAP currently. And well, we're looking to see what happens here at open today. You know how we roll. It's Fresh Cash Friday, baby. Let's do one thing really quick. Let's just get it out of the way. 500 likes here on the stream, or I'm turning this bitch off in the next 2 minutes. Come on, people. We got 900 people watching. It's time to hit that like button. It's Fresh Cash Friday. I've heard from a very reputable source that if you hit the like button, it increases your chances of having a green day by 1%. 1% better chance. So that's a pretty good, I mean, it's free to like, free to win. 1% better every day, baby. All right. Pulling up the book map here first thing this morning. What do we got? We got a bunch of liquidity down there. I can't believe we're at 4,350. 4,350. We talked about it the other day. The idea that if we sell below that 4,500 level, it was going to go downtown real quick. And well, it looks like we're going downtown real quick right now, my friends. So, yeah. We're going downtown, baby. Downtown. That's where the fun is. Downtown. You know what you got. Oh. All right. We're getting ready here for the market to open up here. Market to open up here in about 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Let's go. All right. Pulling up the charts, getting ready for the market to open. And right now, we got that pivot point there on the ES at the 362s acting as resistance. We got the VWAP up there at the 72s right now. So VWAP to the upside, we obviously have that gap. We're going to have a gap, that gap fill. If we do push back up here, that gap fill would be kind of that 78 area. About 20 points up right there. And we'll see how this kind of plays out at open. We'll see how she plays. Maybe we just keep on selling. The daily candle does not look too hot. There's like, yeah, not very hot on the daily candle right now. So we could easily sell down here more. I mean, maybe we could pull back. I don't say maybe, but the low, the previous daily low there is at 48.50 level, and then after that, like 28. So see how this plays out. Right now, like I said, there's just not really much here to the left. You look to the left here, there's not really much going back. I mean, even into July, it's a lot of pivot points there, but we got a pivot point down there at the 40s and then a pivot all the way down there at the 303s. I would say if we keep on selling here today, there's a fucking good chance that we see that 303 level, to be honest. I don't know. Maybe I'm just being a little optimistic here, but let's think about that. From here to here, it's only another 1.2% drop on the ES. That's 50 points down there to the pivot point of the 303s. That's only 1.2% drop. So that's really not a, you know, a massive, that would be like, that'd only be like a less than a 2% down day here on a Friday, which, you know, we've had plenty of 2% down days. 2%, 1% down days. I mean, it's not rocket science here. So that pivot point down there, 4,303s, keep that in mind. If we can't hold, I would say we got to get back above the VWAP here for the bulls, but I don't know. Do the bulls really want to get long going into the weekend here? I don't know. I don't know. What do you think? For my pivot points, people always ask me about the pivot points. They are just standard pivot points, by the way, guys. Pivot settings, traditional, not Fibonacci. People always ask me, like, is it the Fibonacci? Is it traditional? Just traditional pivot points there, guys. If you haven't already hit the like button, what the fuck? You got 488 likes here. Come on. Come on. Don't fuck around with me right now. It's Fresh Cash Friday. Let's just blow it up. Let's just blow it up, baby. Blow it up. Blow it up. Do I know if they can be added to NinjaTrader? Probably. Wouldn't say it shouldn't be possible. New rule. If you don't hit the like button, you're going to lose money. New rule. That's the rule now. I didn't make it up. It's just the rule. It's the new rule. If you don't hit the like button, it's guaranteed you're going to lose money. You know? I can't guarantee you're going to make money, but I can guarantee you're going to lose money if you don't hit that fucking like button right now. Let's go. All right. That 64 level here on the ES, that 3-minute chart showing that resistance there. We kind of push back up here, 62s right now. That VWAP up there at the 71s. It wouldn't, I mean, it might be a little greedy here, but I would love to see that kind of retest of this 72 level, to be honest. That would be a really nice short opportunity from that 72s and then down through that 50s. You know, it would be nice. It would be real nice. But we'll see how she goes. Banana. I don't know. It is Friday. Fridays normally pretty good price action. People kind of getting ready for the weekend. Everyone's kind of like either dumping positions or they're getting long. I don't think they're going to be getting long this weekend. Hey, I could be totally wrong. We can just go straight up here at open. We'll find out. That's the best part about it, right? We don't need to predict what's going to happen. We just need to trade what happens. We just trade the action, my friends. Welcome to day trading. You know, we're not investing long term here. We just need to wait for the action, my friends. We got 4 minutes here till the market opens. 4 minutes till market opens. 15-minute chart there. See that low so far. I don't know, that push back up here to that VWAP would be a really nice kind of setup for a short. I hate to be, it's funny because like we're at this 56 level and we're like, I hate to get short right here, right? Like I'd hate to get short at the 56s, but at the same time, it's like, you know, an hour from now, we could be down here in the 30s. So it's like, I don't know, just a little bit of a push up would be nice. We're still below that pivot point on the ES there at the 62s. So let's give it a little bit of chance. We do have that gap fill, that 78 level to the upside there, that red line right now pulling back. We have that next pivot down there at the 40s. So see how she plays out at open. There's a bunch of liquidity stacked up at the 50s there. No gap today? Yeah, Daniel, there's a gap. What are you talking about? We gap down. Some nuts. Daniel said that it won't play out the gap today. Okay. I don't really care either way if it plays out or not, but I'm not gonna say it's gonna or it's not. That's the best part about it. You know, why even put that on myself? I really don't care either way. So let's see. The NASDAQ just broke through the low there. The ES down to the lows again here on the 15-minute chart. Through that 55 level, you got that next pivot down there at the 40s. I see a lot of people saying we're not going to fill the gap, so I don't want to say that the chat's normally wrong, but when everybody's bearish, I get a little worried. Just get a little worried when everyone's bearish. Right now, we're selling off here into this low, going into open. There's a bunch of liquidity stacked up there on the book map right now at the 50s, so that key level here at open is going to be 50s on the ES. 50. See how she plays. Got about a minute here till the market opens. 30 seconds, actually. 30 seconds. See if this 50 area is gonna hold up here at open. $13 seconds, 10 seconds. Count it down with me. Go for the 5, the 4, the 3, the 2, and the 1. The market is now open for business down there to the 50s, just like that. Will they push it back up here? Took out that liquidity at the 50s. Just being patient here. Let this set up. Figure out what it wants to do. Be careful. This thing could rip right back up pretty quickly. There's a bunch of sellers at 55 right now. Liquidity at 55 there. And look at it. Ripping back up there now. Gets above 57s and then takes out that 60 level next. Got to get above 57 there. Push it above 57. See if it'll take out that 60 area next. Trying to show some strength here through the 60s. Up there through the 60s. 60 pushing, 60 pushing, 61s. Gonna go a little bit more. 64s would be that next kind of push. And there we go. I'm locking in $4,500 there. Fuck you, everybody that said we were going straight down and open. I bought the dip. I sold the rip. Get the fuck on my level. Everybody that said, oh, we're going down, Patrick. We're going, get the fuck out of here. God. Why do people even doubt me? Why? Why? Get on my fucking level. I told you guys. I told you. Don't get too excited about this thing going straight down there at open. Look at that. Fucking over 10 points off that low. Straight back up there to the 60s now. I jumped in there at 52.75. Took profit there at 61.25. Boo, 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 boo. Fresh Cash Friday. Get on my fucking level. There it goes through the 60s. Patrick. Patrick, you. Why? Why is it going back up? Why? Why is this happening? Oh my God. Ah. God. Patrick. Hey, like I said, I don't give a fuck if it goes up or if it fucking goes down. I don't give a fuck. All I care about is making money. Everybody in the chat that gets so worried about, is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? Who the fuck cares? We buy, we sell. We don't give a fuck. We are here to make money. We are not here to be right. Everybody that commented this morning, like, we're not going to push up. Get the fuck out of here. Go sit in the corner. Go sit in the corner and look at the fucking wall and think about what you did wrong. Think about what you did. If you shorted this morning, go sit in the fucking corner and think about what you did wrong. Say you fucking Hail Mary a few times. Say a few Hail Marys. God. All right, let's see what happens here now. The 64 level holding us down there. The guy at 64 level, see if it holds. Someone's calling me right now. Are you fucking kidding me? Somebody's calling me right fucking now. Do they not know what fucking time it is? Do they not know what fucking time it is? God, don't ever call me at fucking 9:30 in the morning. I'm blocking it. I don't care who it is. Blocked for life. Oh, it's my grandma. Blocked for life. Don't fucking call me at 9:30 in the morning. I'm making fucking money. Don't waste my fucking time. God. Michael's calling me. Michael, stop calling me all the time. I know you want to be best friends, but I don't know, man. You got a Corvette. I don't know if I like people that own Corvettes. I'm just playing. You know what I love the most about me and ICT is people like ICT's followers, they do not understand. They are so confused. They're so upset. They're like, Michael, why are you friends with this guy? Michael, I don't understand why. Why, Michael? Why? It's clear, right? Real recognize real. All right, top dog alphas want to be with top dog alphas. Little bitch boys, get the fuck out of the way. We got no time for that. Oh, God. Look at this big old buyer stepping up there at 57s now. I think this thing wants to get pushing again. If we get over 62s here, we got to take out that 62 level, 64s. I'm definitely not getting overly bullish here, but I'm not overly bearish either. You know, like, I like to make money. I really don't give a fuck either way what happens. You know, let's be honest. Like, we're here to make fucking money. We're not here to be right. We're not here to fucking to yell and scream on YouTube. Well, I'm kind of here for that, but you guys aren't here for that. So maybe you are here for that. Maybe the only reason you watch is because I yell and I scream. See if I get this push up there through the 64s next. 65s there on the book map. Kind of looks like it wants 64 break here. There's that 64 break. I took a little long from the 62s, just straight up there to the 65s now. God. I don't even know why. For now on, I'm just like, in the morning, I'm not even going to read the chat anymore. Or maybe I am going to read the chat. I don't know. Either way, it's just like so counterproductive. Like, people, they want to argue in the chat. Like, Patrick, there's no way this is going to push up. It's like, why? Why do you even waste your breath? Like, you know the market's going to do exactly the opposite of whatever the fuck you say it's going to do. So don't even waste your fucking breath. You know, don't even, you're just wasting oxygen, wasting brain power, even trying to predict what the market's going to do here. You know, like, let's just make money, boys. We like money. Money. I just think it's a total waste of fucking time to try to sit here before the market opens and be like, guys, there's no way There's no way that we don't just go straight down here at open. Just like you're just wasting your time. And all you're doing too is that you're just messing yourself up. Like, honestly, think about it. Like, you're literally just messing yourself up mentally. You know, you're like, you're just, I guarantee the people that were like overly bearish there at open, they got short when we broke below this right here, and then they got fucking squeezed. This is exactly why the market did what it did. You think the market just went straight up because everybody wanted to get long there at open? No. The reason it fucking went straight up is because everybody was overly bearish here at open. They fucking just piled in their short, being dumb retail. And guess what? They got fucking squeezed. That's exactly what it was. You know? That's all it was. And it's not saying that I was right or I'm a genius or anything like that. But you got to remember, buyers want to get fucking long at the bottom, and sellers want to get fucking short at the top. No, you know, it's not the other way around. Sellers at open did not want to fucking sell down here at the 53s. Look where we're at now, almost to the VWAP there. So this is basically playing out exactly like we talked about here at open. So now it's like, now we're patient. Now we wait to see how this plays out. We're getting denied there at the VWAP for now. Perfect. You know, now we can just kind of wait. What I would like to see here is basically, you know, show weakness. We want to basically put in a lower high off of this big move down. We put in a lower high here, and then we start to roll. And then it's like, now we can set up for a real nice short opportunity to the downside here. I mean, Paul Revere. God. It's not no bottom. It's not about being a bottom or not. It's just the fucking, like, if I'm a big short, guess what? Like, if I want to get short the fucking market, guess where I'm not going to get fucking short? At this fucking bottom. I'm going to fucking make sure, I'm going to try to get this market to push back up, and then I'm going to load up short once all the fucking idiots get short and squeeze. You know what I mean? Like, that's how big money makes money. The big fucking traders are not getting short at fucking 50. Think about that. Like, I don't know why it's just like, it's so hard for people to understand. Like, the problem is you guys, you're thinking like fucking, like small time traders. You're thinking like dumb retail. Like, okay, Patrick, look what's happening. It's going down. I should get short. Oh my God, look, Patrick, I got 1 red candle, 2 red candles, 3 red candles, 4 red candles. Clearly, it's only gonna go down at open, right? Like, it's impossible for it to go up. There's no way. There's no way that it could possibly go up, Patrick. And you're like, well, actually, that mindset alone is exactly why there's a very good chance that it goes up here. We still got more room to fill that gap all the way up there to that 78 level. We're back up there to the VWAP now. You know, it's just like, I think too many people get caught up in this just total ignorant state that because look, oh look, Patrick, the market went down. It's been going down since 618. There's no way it could go up here at open. It would be impossible. How many contracts do I trade with, buddy? Well, first off, I'm not your fucking buddy. I'm your enemy. I'm your enemy. For me to make money, you got to lose money. So I trade in 15 contracts, by the way. Big money traders. All right, so look at this. We're getting stuck at the VWAP. Looking good here. We don't need to really do anything yet. The best part about this is we kind of just wait till that 15-minute opening range. I would just, honestly, for me right now, if I want to get short, I'd be kind of just waiting for this 15-minute opening range to kind of play out here. I just don't want to get short right here in case we squeeze up again. But we're starting to lose this trend here on the 3-minute chart. It's starting to move back down here. So just giving it some time. You know, if we get back below 60s, then we can see how this kind of plays out. I'd say below 58s, we take out that low. As of right now, just not fully committed to getting short just yet. How was I sure that the first entry at 52 wasn't going to crack down all the way? Well, first off, I'm never 100% sure of anything. I just know from experience that it's a pretty good fucking chance that after we bounced off that 50 level, that there's a better chance that we hold 50 than we break 50 right there at open. You know what I mean? I'm never 100% sure about any trade other than when I'm in the trade. Gambled. Not your mechanic. Get the fuck out of here. I love it. People, but Patrick gambled. He gambled. He gambled. He gambled. No, I did exactly what I do every day. I took a trade based on my experience, based on my setup. I don't know, like, why do people, like, guys, if I was a fucking gambler, right? Like, if I was a fucking gambler, how the fuck would I have known, you know, like, why did the market do what I told it? Like, what, you know, like, why did the market go where I said it would go? Every day we do this, every fucking day. But I'm a gambler. Fucking idiots. We pushed up there to the VWAP. Now getting stuck there again at the 65. Starting to look a little heavy here, but as long as it holds here at the 60, I'd say pretty much anywhere holding this low of this candle right here at 58s, I would not want to get short just yet. You know, let it play out here. Get some more taps on the VWAP there. This thing still has some legs on it here now. Now that it's pushing back up, look at this. If we fill this fucking gap, I want everybody in the chat just to go ahead and fucking delete your accounts forever. Everybody that said that it couldn't fill the gap today, I want you to delete your trading account. Just send me all your money and just stop trading because you just got to quit. It's time to quit. Because you're going to lose all your money anyway. So you might as well just send it to me. I can spend your money a lot better than you can spend it. Bow, 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 bow. Again, stuck there at the 67 VWAP level. Now we're just waiting for this to play out here. Pretty much like this now, I'd say. Start to break down here. We put it, I want to see like a lower high in this area here. Lower high. MK, I want to learn how to trade. What should you do? Just go ahead and stop now. If you're on my live stream asking how to learn how to trade, just go ahead and stop. Don't try. People, anyone that always, like, literally people ask me all the time, like, Patrick, I want to start trading. I'm like, don't do it. Don't fucking start. Just quit now. Trading is the hardest thing in the world. And if you're asking people in a fucking live stream on YouTube where to start, how to start, just go ahead and quit now. Don't even start because you're not going to make it. Like, it's just the truth. It's just the truth. Like, when I first started day trading, the last thing that I would do is go on some fucking live stream, like, hey, so I really want to start day trading. I see this as a live stream for day trading. Like, where do I start at? Nope, don't do it. Just go ahead and quit. Don't join the market flow trader community either. Whatever you do, everybody watching this stream, if you're fucking a bad day trader, do not join the market flow trader community because I can't help you. I'm pretty much, I just can't help you, to be honest. Like, you're just bad. You just some people got to be bad. I think some people just got to really understand that they're not going to make it as a day trader. That's the truth. There's a very, like, there's just people out there that they're just not cut out for this. And that's totally fine, right? Like, not everyone should try to day trade, honestly. Like, I'm just being honest with you. Like, there's better things to do with your time. Because the chance of you making money as a day trader is almost like, I don't know, impossible, really. Don't do it. Do not start day trading. It's literally the worst fucking thing in the world. Did I make $5,000 a day? Yeah, I did. But, like, I'm different than you, you know? Like, we're not the same person. I'm a winner and you're a fucking loser. So that's just, admit it. Someone's got to lose. It's totally fine. Someone's got to work at McDonald's. And guess who's not working at fucking McDonald's? Just think about that. Like, guess who's not working at fucking McDonald's, right? The person watching this fucking live stream wondering if they start day trading, don't start. Do not fucking start day trading. Don't do it. Look, I put my glasses on. I tell you, very simple. Day trading is the hardest fucking thing in the world. Don't fucking try it. Don't try to be a day trader. Just fucking accept the fact that you're a fucking loser. You're probably fat. You probably just unmotivated in life and you just can't figure it out, just don't fucking start doing it, all right? If you can't fucking win, just accept the fact that you're a fucking loser and just be a loser for the rest of your fucking life. Whatever you do, do not join the market flow trader community, because I don't want fucking losers, all right? I don't fucking want them. If you're a fucking loser, just keep on losing, because someone's got to fucking lose so that I can fucking win, all right? It's that simple. Someone's got to fucking lose so I can keep on winning at life. That's all we doing, baby, winning. Right now, we're sitting here at this 64, 65 level. It's fucking Fresh Cash Friday. We're rich. We're rich. We're rich. We're high on fucking pre-workout right now. We went to the gym this morning. We worked out. We got it done. Fucking winners only. Oh my God. We're still pushing up there to the VWAP again. Like I said, no reason to get short here just yet, my friends. I'm not telling you exactly what's going to happen, but I'm just pretty much telling you exactly what's going to happen. You know, it is the way it is. Oh God. Jacob Miller, first time watching. Ask yourselves this: if he has all this money, why does his hairline look like that? I'll tell you what, Jacob, I'll give you a little piece of advice. Well, first off, I'm not a little bitch. Even if I was a bald, even if I had no hair, I could still make more money than you. I could still get more girls than you. I could just still live a better life than you'll ever live. That's the best part about it. If you're worried about my hairline, Jacob, I feel bad for you, because guess what? Even with no fucking hair, I can still win. Way more than you'll ever win, right? I fucking piss excellence in the morning. I got more talent in my pinky finger than you're ever gonna have, Jacob. So just go ahead and quit. Just go ahead and give up. And I'm not even gonna ban you, because it's okay. It's okay, because I want you to keep watching. I want you to keep watching. I want you to keep on watching me win every day. God. Literally, the fucking people in this chat sometimes. Patrick, if you have so much money, why does your hairline look like that? Honestly, like, I don't give a fuck. I would cut my hair. I would go bald before I would get fucking hair replacement or any type of bullshit like that. Let's be honest, you know? Like, I literally give zero fucks about my hairline. Up there to the 71s now, 72s. Are we going to get a gap fill? Is it going to happen? Think it could go all the way gap fill here? I don't know, man. They said it wasn't possible. They said it wasn't possible. No way we're getting a gap fill today, they said. They said, no way, Patrick, it's impossible. Well, we're only about fucking 7 points away from that gap fill now, so we'll see how she goes. Right now, up there to the 72s. The NASDAQ up to the VWAP, the ES up there through the VWAP, straight up there to the 72s now. Like I said, no point in getting short here earlier when we were at that 62 level. Now up there to the 72s. Hopefully saved you guys some agony and some pain here trying to get short at the 60s there. A little bit of a bull flag forming up here, kind of watching to see how this plays out. That 62 level, or that 72 level here. Kind of bounce off the VWAP for now. Is what? The dollar going straight down. Shit. Bounce right off the VWAP for now. We get back over the 70s, got that kind of like 75, 76 level up there to think about. And then to get that full gap fill would be like up there to the 80s. So see how they play it here. All these little dips have been getting bought up for now. At the VWAP now. The NASDAQ got denied at the VWAP there. The ES back to the VWAP here. In my little bit of trouble there at the VWAP. The NASDAQ definitely gave up more than the ES there, but let's see what happens if the ES basically needs to hold this kind of 67, 66 level to get one more push up here. The best part is you can kind of just wait for it to show some strength to get back above the 69s. Would be what you're looking for here. Trying to get through that 70, 69 level there, holding at the VWAP for now. This is why we will be. Needs to clear out 69, 70 level quickly. Get that push back up here. Right now it is trending back down into that 67 area. Have we shared? Got about 5 minutes here till 10 o'clock. There's no numbers, but sometimes that 10 o'clock kind of first 30 minutes playing out. Better moves after 10 here. And right now, trouble for the ES down there to the 63, 64s. So not looking too hot right now. The NASDAQ, let's see, it's got to hold this 63 level or 60s for the bulls. Right now, pulling back. Like I said, it needed to get above 69s there. Could not get above 69s for now. Let's see if they kind of move this back up here. Not looking so hot. Once again, bounced off that 61.75 there. $57.50 down there on the book map right now. They start selling this back down. We're taking out that low down there. That 60 area is got to be the key level here. Get through. The NASDAQ just totally reversing here, pretty much back down to the lows right now. The ES still holding up here at the 60s, but if the NASDAQ breaks below 621, I don't see how the ES doesn't start selling through the 60s here. Those 15-minute candles there on the NASDAQ for now. Holding up there at the 63s here. The NASDAQ still defending that 34, the low down there. So takes out that low there, 620 area on the NASDAQ. This thing will start selling. So right now they're trying to defend that low so far. Hold it up here for now. Looks like the bulls have finally ran out of power here. The shorts basically want this to stay below this level right here, that yellow line there now. So try to get this break through the 60s there strong. Again, testing 62s. Looking weak here. Let's say if we get through 60s here, then 58, it's going take out that low at the 50s. Got to get through 60s though. Back to that 15-minute opening range basically right now, so. NASDAQ down there at the 38s, 37s. They're pulling liquidity. There was a bunch of liquidity there at the 59s. They took it out now. It's gone. There's just this liquidity there at the 60s. And then down there, 56s. So could be a nice little dump through there. I got to go to the bathroom. Oh, fuck. No movement. Still there at the 60s for now. Take out that 60 level here. NASDAQ down there at the lows right now. Very key level here. If the NASDAQ starts selling through those lows, we should just get this thing to drop right through the 60s here on the ES. Look at that setup right now through this low there. We're staying below this 65s. Back through that pivot point of the SPY as well. Holding up there at the 60s for now. NASDAQ looking weak here. At the 30s on the NASDAQ here. Oh, buddy. About to get that 15-minute range breakdown there on the NASDAQ. Could just be a waterfall through the 20s next. And there we go, waterfall through the 20s. Quick little move down there through the 60s for now. Popped it back up there pretty quickly. They're running that liquidity down there. Running liquidity down there right now. They ran the low on the NASDAQ. Popped it right back up there to the 36s. Playing it dirty right now. Kind of like yesterday's price action. If you remember yesterday, doing that kind of thing at the lows here. The NASDAQ just popped up fucking 30 points there to the 50s almost. Right now, they're defending that low there on the NASDAQ. Will the ES stay below the 65s here? I don't love that. Bounce back up there. Still not convinced. Still not convinced. Oh, I just saw a big buy just come through there again at the 59. Look at that. Popped up there, that big buy, 96. Someone just bought 96 contracts right there. Either the shorts are still covering from earlier. Look at that. Selling pressure coming in there, 61s now. $57.50 down there. Still holding here at the 60s. Got to get through this 60 level for the ES. Through the 60s, we take out that 50 level. They're holding it there for now, but still not convinced that this thing's going straight back up here. Just some manipulation to keep it here so they can load up more shorts at the 60s maybe. Sucker in more longs, try to buy this dip so they can sell more shorts. I'd say if we test 58s again, this thing's fucking straight down, baby. Straight down there. Kind of holding on there to the 60s for now for dear life. The bulls want to keep it alive here at the 60s. Below 60s, they know they're in trouble. So market makers maybe don't want it below that 60 level here to pay out those puts that expired today. Don't want to pay out those puts. But I'd say as long as we stay below this 65 level, this thing's still looking juicy for more downside. Still below the VWAP there. VWAP at the 67s. The 15-minute chart on the NASDAQ looking a little juicy for a pushback up here. They're holding it there at the 30s for now. A little scary. Kind of rounding out there on the NASDAQ right there. If you look here, look on the 3-minute chart here. That's 3-minute chart, sorry. Kind of pulling in this bottom right now off that 15-minute low. So the NASDAQ still needs to kind of get through that 20 area. There's that pushback up. The ES still below 65s. That key level here for the ES is going to be that 65 level. Stay below. Pull. And dumping it once again. Trying to be patient here. I like to see this just get below that 58 level. Below 58, it's going to be an easy short down. But right now, this 60 level, just kind of holding it up there. Clear out that 58 level. And then we go for the low of day down there at the 50s. Remember, we still got that pivot point here on the ES. Down at the 40s down there. Right now, we're at that pivot point there at the 62s. Can't get away from that pivot point for now. And again, back up there, hitting that 64, 65 level. Holding there at that pivot point there, the 62s for now. For now. The NASDAQ back up there to the 50s. See if this kind of plays out there, that little bear flag. Got to get below 60s here. You got that 15-minute opening range all the way down there to the 50s. Still haven't even gotten close to that low yet on the NASDAQ. I mean, on the ES here. ES still about 10 points off the lows. The NASDAQ took out the lows and then squeezed back up. Still is holding up there, 61s. NASDAQ showing more strength here, pushing back up 55s now on the NASDAQ. The ES stuck again at the 64s. Be a little worried here. This thing wants to squeeze back up. It gets above that 65 level. On the ES now. $10.15. Fresh Cash Friday. I want to see this thing roll through it. Roll through that 60 level here. Just start selling, baby. She wants it down. Just holding it up right now, I think. Just keep this thing alive here a little bit longer. Trying to sell more. Sell more fucking shorts there before this thing fucking goes downtown. Getting real tight here. Will we get the dump through 60? Pretty much tapped 60s there again. Breaking through 60s here. They need to get this selling quick. You don't want them bouncing it again here. Get some continuation through this 60 level. Take out that 58s next. $57.50 just popped up there on the book map for now. This is where they bounce it straight up earlier. NASDAQ looking heavy here. Back to the 30s now on the NASDAQ. The ES can just get through 58s here. Looking good. Go. Let's take out that 50 level now. 8 points to 50s. Still being stubborn there. I'm looking for this move down to the 50s. Fuck it. Fresh Cash Friday, baby. Let's make some money. Make some fucking money. It's Fresh Cash Fridays. I want this move to the fucking 50s. That low down there, 49s, 50 area is what I'm looking for here. Currently short. Looking for this thing to go to the fucking 50s. Lock in $10,000 in profit. I want 50s. I might even hold it through 50s, to be honest. Just fucking put my stop at break even and let it ride. As I say that, it's going to squeeze back up now and stop me out. Fuck you. Oh, God. Every time I open my mouth. Why? The fucking market makers are listening. The ES through the the NASDAQ through the 20s there. The ES down there, the 56s so far, 55s. Every time. I gotta stop talking about my trades. No more. No longer will I talk about my trades. I'm not holding till 50. I promise. I will not hold till 50. No way in hell. I'm kidding. I'm already out. Market makers, I already got out. Don't worry. You gotta be kidding me. It pushes up 5 points since I said I was gonna hold till 50. You gotta laugh sometimes about it. back up to the 60s. Are you fucking kidding me? Well, that was fun for a minute. We had a little bit of fun for about 2 seconds. And then back to the 60s now. Are you fucking kidding me? My life. It just can't ever be easy, can it? Well, it was fun while it lasted. It was fun while it lasted. Every time I fucking hold for like a big winner, you know, I could have just taken my 5 points profit, locked it in. But the problem is, if I would have taken the fucking 5 points, it would have fucking went down to 50. Just can't win. Can't win sometimes. And just squeezed it back up there to 64, just to stop out all the shorts. 65, look at that straight fucking back up. How? How does that happen? How does it go up? I don't get it. I don't get it sometimes. I swear, it's rigged. It's fucking rigged. This market's rigged. It's rigged. This shit's rigged, man. And I'm stopped out. Beautiful. Now it's gonna sell back down. Fucking NASDAQ just ripped up like 50 fucking points there. Fun. Still stuck below that 65 level for now. And squeezing straight up there. What a time. Back up there to the VWAP. Getting stuck at the VWAP now. Don't get it. How? How? Fucking assholes. Now I'll watch it just like fucking sell on back down here. Well, at least I know it's a good time to walk away. YOLO. I don't even know, like, why? Why? Why did it bounce at 55? Couldn't tell you. I literally could not tell you why or what. There's nothing on this chart to tell you that, oh, it's going to bounce off 55 and rip back up. What on this chart tells you that? Nothing. 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 I love my life. Fucking assholes. Fucking assholes. Don't get it. I don't get it. I like how everybody has a different fucking, reason to why it balanced. Everybody's got a fucking different, oh, it balanced because of this. It balanced because of that. Hey, you know, I think it balanced because of this happened. I'm like, okay, we get it. Everyone's got a different fucking theory here. I love it. Buyer's bot. Good job, John. Thank you for your fucking, your pointless fucking opinion. My VWAP setting. That's my VWAP setting. Now it's gonna fucking dump back down. Classic. Fuck! I was up like $8,000 on that fucking trade and got stopped out. Are you kidding me? Here's what it is. Just fucking sucks to be up $8,000 on a trade and get stopped out for some just literally bullshit. And now it's gonna fucking dump again. Classic. Fucking classic. Up to the VWAP got stuck and back down now. All right, all right. I know it's not the first time I've been up $10,000 and got stopped out. I fucking know. God. People remind me like, Patrick, it's not the first time you got stopped out. I fucking know, people. You don't have to remind me. Fuck. Hey, Patrick, I can't believe you got stopped out. I fucking know. You act like I'm a fucking idiot, that I don't know this shit. Like, oh, Patrick, you got stopped out? Can't believe it. Like, yeah, I fucking know. You don't have to fucking remind me. God fucking damn it. And now back down there to the 58s. Whippy. If I walk away and I go to lunch, I'm gonna come back and this thing's gonna be at fucking 40. How much you want to bet? How much you want to bet? How much you had to bet? Oh my, look at this thing on the book map right now. Buyers stepping in there once again at the 57, 58s for now. And straight back up there, 62s again. Ugh. All right, I'm gonna go to lunch and then maybe come back after afternoon and trade. This is just bullshit right now, so fuck it. Fuck you. Fuck it. Fuck you. If you guys haven't hit that like button, it's Fresh Cash Friday. Let's get 1,000 likes here on the stream. Help me out here. Help me, help me. Help me help you. I'll leave the book map open. Come on, you want the book map? 1,000 likes. And just chopping right back up there again to the 62s. Where's the waterfall when you need it? Just want that. Wee! Oh, wee! Never when I'm in the tree. That's when it never happens. Ugh. All right, I'm just gonna walk away. I don't want to. I can feel the FOMO kicking in now. The worst thing I don't want to do now is try to short it here again and fucking squeeze up again on me. So I'm gonna walk away, keep the FOMO in check, go have lunch, come back, see if there's a better setup. If we get below this fucking 58 level clean, maybe later get that through the 50s. I mean, there's lots of room down to this pivot point 40s, even down there to the 300s flat. I mean, we're only down 0.5 on the day, so there's more action. Daniel didn't fill yet. Are you still you're still in the chat? You're still here to tell me that the gap didn't fill? If we all would have listened to you, Daniel, we all would have fucking shorted at the open and lost money. So, yeah, like, thank you for that. We all would have listened to Dan YER. We all would have fucking got blown up at open. So, thanks, Dan. Thanks for telling us that the market can't go up at open. Right now, just bouncing off this trend line for now. Back up there, the pivot point at the 62s. And, well, we'll see how it plays out here later on today. For now, I'm going to go to lunch. I'm going to come back later, and we'll see where we're at. All right. That's how we're going to play it, baby. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Come on, we need a couple more likes here. Just a couple more. Just a little bit more. Back up there with the 62s again. Getting stuck there at that pivot point over and over. The NASDAQ back up there towards the 60s to the VWAP again. So, like I said, I'm going to wait till we'll see what happens later on today. Right now, just kind of chopping sideways, going sideways here. So, I'm going to stay out of it. And we'll come back later to see if we get some better price action. Had some pretty good price action yesterday after that. So it's all good in the hood, baby. All good in the hood. NASDAQ ripping up there to the 70s again. Back to the VWAP once again there on the NASDAQ. And the ES back up there, 64, 65 again. These are ripping. All right, I'm gonna walk away. Fuck it. Oh God, I'm looking at it like, not gonna. Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it. See you guys next Monday. Mondays. Mega Money Mondays. Back here live on the stream, 9:15 a.m. Thanks for the support. Thanks for tuning in today for Fresh Cash Friday. I'll see you guys all next week, Monday morning. Enjoy the weekend. Have a good time. Live your life. And yeah, just keep on doing what you're doing, my friends. I'll see you guys then. Look at that, pushing up there through the VWAP again. Wow. This thing really just gonna go straight. Fuck me. Bouncing there again off of the off that 58 level. Pushing back up here now. So see how she plays out. But right now, again, stuck there at the VWAP. So we'll see what happens. I'll see you guys Monday morning. Later.